Yes, I couldn't help it. Another video today because this is a proud mommy moment and I had to share because y'all know it's memories over material for me. And I tell y'all all the time, teach your kids what you know. So anywho, I did RIZZY'S room over already. So it's time for me to do my middle daughter room over, right? So we went and got all the paint and everything. And I planned on today after we go do the stuff, because we got a wedding to go to, get all our little stuff we need to get for the wedding. We're going to come back and we're going to paint. My baby was like, no, mommy, I want to do it myself, right? I was like, really? She was like, yeah. Now, she been painting with me. She did the accent wall, that wall right there. Y'all can see it. That wall and a lot in RIZZY'S room and different things. She did a lot of painting with me. The molding, all that stuff. So, this will be her first time. She only 15 painting a full room by herself. So, I want y'all to see. She in her room now, y'all. Hold on. Caught me, y'all. I was gonna stop it, but she caught me. But I'm so proud of her. I'm so freaking proud of her. I am so freaking proud of her. I tried to sneak in. She just happened to freaking turn around. But yes, y'all don't understand as a mom. Do you not realize when you teach them stuff, it frees you up. It frees you up from having to do everything. You get help. I'm a person that like things a certain way, so it's always hard for me to delegate. So I try to teach my kids with passion and patience, so that way they do it right. So that way I know they got a good teacher, so I can let them be and do what it is that I need them to do and not have everything on me when I'm doing certain things in life. Sure, I want to empire with my daughters, where we have a business together. I don't know what it's going to be. You know what I'm saying? But I want to empire. I got 3 daughters. That's what I do. I want to empire with them. And so just stuff like this makes me excited because they're automatically interested in certain stuff. Look at Miss Rizzy. Hey, little girl. What you doing? Say hi to YouTube. We're going to be hanging up Halloween stuff in a little bit, guys. We got workers working. The roof is being done. Somebody doing electrical in one of the bathrooms. I got my good old spaghetti on. It has Italian sausage meatballs, kielbasa, and ground turkey. And I usually thicken it up a little bit more. But I let it simmer for a minute before I do that. So that's what it's doing. Rizzy loves spaghetti, so she can sometimes what time we eating. But anywho, that's what's up. Me and my hubby getting ready to go to Joann Fabric. I look for a piece of fabric to put around my waist for a pop of color, and I gotta create me some earrings for this wedding, and I will show you guys. It'll be tomorrow. I'll probably do a little video on what we look like going to the wedding. We love seeing people unite or renew their vows and stuff. It just be so beautiful. Black love is amazing. Any love is amazing, but I can only relate to black love. But it's amazing. Not that, baby. That's daddy's tea. You can have some if you want to. But anywho, no, you can drink it. Just put some ice in it. But yeah, so that's what we doing today. I got a lot going on. I finally got a door. Y'all, I end up getting a hollow door. But guess what your girl gonna do to that bad boy? That's what I'm going to do to it. I'm going to do some things to it. It's going to be beautiful. I got to paint this door. I got a lot of stuff to do around the house. My hubby like, calm down. We're not going to do nothing today or tomorrow because we have the wedding. We're just going to go shopping. We got little errands we got to run. So he said like Monday. Oop, that's his cup. I think he said like Sunday and Monday we'll do some of the stuff we need to do. You can't see? Oh, okay. Wait till the electrician guy finish, okay? But yeah. So I'm getting ready to just wait till they finish. I think the roofers is almost done. And we getting ready to go run some errands and get some things we need for us in the house and the girls. Like just little knick-knack things. You know how you run out of certain stuff. And that's it. That's our day. But I love you guys. Talk to you guys later.